Hello everyone, my name is Jay Valentino and this is my 1963 Chevy Impala, and as you can see behind me, today is that day. This is the intake manifold right here in this box. I got the gaskets in this box, I got the spark plugs right here, I got the wiring kit right here, and the headers right here. Okay, so this is how everything looks unboxed. So I'm also doing a subscriber giveaway. So in this box right here, I have the exact same cast iron manifolds as you see right there. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to me on YouTube, obviously, and then follow me on Instagram, DM me showing that you did that, and then comment down below explaining what your project car is and why you would need these.
So for the gaskets, you want the design side to be facing up, but double check your instructions.
Fuck, it's gonna fall. What's going on? Okay. You ready? So I'm gonna grab it like this. You're gonna grab that side with two hands, your side. See, we can't grind this. We gotta like set it perfectly. Hold up.
I could grab it with my hand from here.
Hold it like that. Okay. Can I let it go? On you, Amelia?
Yeah.
I want to hold the phone so you can grab it.
Okay.
So the way that I tightened down the head bolts were in a certain pattern, but I just did hand tight, ratchet tight, and then 70 foot-pound torque. And basically you want to make sure that the picture that I'm showing you right now is lined up with the same way that you're facing the head, because you can do them in the opposite order. I don't know if that makes a difference, but just to play it safe.
Now we previously showed you how to torque down inside. Install the nut and tighten it down.
Damn,
I just hurt my
some
fucking
lean.
balls.
Can we double cup it?
Bro, why you gotta get so close to me? Bro, I'll fucking dump this on you.
Seabass has not eaten all day. His body's running off just itself.
Yeah, you haven't even drank water. Like,
What the fuck do you mean I haven't drink water?
you're the type of person to like not fucking drink water like ever.
I drink water all the fucking time.
Are there those type
And
of
it's
people
pretty
though?
fucking disgusting. Yeah.
I drink water all the time.
Like you could go a day without getting a cup.
Yeah, I could probably do it.
That's not good. That's not.
Probably
Yeah,
snap.
because you
Hey, did you get my hat? You
No.
did.
No.
Like chill,
He
bitch.
didn't get on your hat.
He didn't get it on the drip.
No, there's none on your hat.
All right, nothing on the drip.
It dripped on the shit.
By the way, your drip is like stained and discolored. I'm just saying.
It's
dog.
vintage.
Can you shut the fuck up? Please?
Irritability is a symptom of hunger.
You dog.
I had no chin, dog. Shit annoyed me.
No fucking shit. That's what the fuck it was. There was always something wrong like with her face that I couldn't fucking pinpoint.
I knew it from the first day I
And it
saw
was
her.
the no chin.
Bitch don't got no chin.
Man, see that? You a cute ass nigga, though.
Bro, you need to back up.
Fuck,
Back up.
fucking wet.
Back up. Back up, bro.
I'll talk to you nice, see that?
Like, dude, my barber gasses me up, but it's
Pinche
fake.
negrito. What, nigga?
Dude,
What, dog?
you're fucking canceled. You fucker. What you looking at, fucker?
You fucker hit my hand.
Bro.
It's fantastic. I'm like elastic.
Nigga, what the
Blood
fuck is wrong with you, bro? Nigga, I thought it was zooming in on my leg. Nigga just zooming in on my fucking dick.
That's the best part, though.
Is it
What's wrong
though?
with y'all niggas?
I feel like you see, Bass. I feel like your face is the best part about you, dog. You know.
Honda.
That's all I got. That's all I got now.
I mean, shit. Some
Lost my
niggas
hair,
ugly
bro.
as fuck, but with 8 inches, bro. Some niggas got fucking 3 inches and pretty, dog. That's just what it is.
3 inches in pretty. That's disrespectful.
I mean, shit. Am I wrong though?
Alright,
You are wrong.
Oh shit. All right, nigga. 4.
4.
Yeah, niggas only care about the destination, bro.
It does. Nobody cared what you had to do to get there. Who cares? Nobody.
Nobody really loves me. They just, like, love me for my car.
Yes. Yes. See, when I first
And it's
met
like,
you,
fuck, bro.
when I first met you, I swung around here and saw this car first. That's why I became friends with you in the first place. Yeah.
Did you get him saying that shit?
2 years ago, bro. Like over 2 years ago.
You go, come away from the car. I'm gonna hop back in here. Don't worry, I'm stepping on shit that can't break, except for maybe this. But okay. So this is RTV. This is what I got from AutoZone. Okay, ready?
Oh, what is this?
Silicone. Oh fuck.
Doopy doopy doo da, doopy doopy doo da, doopy doopy doo da, doopy doopy doo.
Oh, you remember Phineas and Ferb, man? That shit was tight.
So for the intake manifold, you want to hand tighten them, and then after you've done that, you want to get your torque wrench and tighten them to 20 foot-pound torque. But you want to start in the center and then work your way out in a crisscross pattern so that everything is tightened down evenly.
Not too thick. Just a nice coat.
For the spark plugs, after you hand tighten it fully, you just want to do a half turn and it should be good. So all I did for the rocker arms was just tighten it down because there's a certain way that you need to do it so that you can time it correctly. So I need to do more research on it before I actually show you guys how I did it. For the intake manifold, make sure that you put tape on it so that dirt and stuff doesn't get in there. And for the carburetor, there's only 4 bolts, so I did 20 foot-pound on the bolts, and I did them in a crisscross pattern as well so that it can be tightened evenly.
Bro, I
Yeah,
thought I
you
was-
see that?
There you go.
Damn.
There you go.
Who
Ooh.
is he?
Ooh.
But,
We don't know what's going on here, boys.
damn.
Dude, that shit went on smooth.
Dude, yeah, AJ, your mom's old. Your mom's a fucking cougar.
Dude, my mom was dating my dad at such a fucking young ass age.
How old was
He
your
was
dad?
like 30 and he was like 20.
Damn, your dad was pulling hella hoes.
That was like.
She was just for the streets.
That was
I see where you get it from, AJ.
Next.
I think you're a whore because you're a whore.
Nah,
Yeah.
Makes sense.
cause dude,
I don't think your dad forced you to text fucking 7 bitches in the past fucking 10 hours.
You're a product of your environment.
No, your dad isn't even your fucking reality. Like, this nigga don't, like...
Dude,
He's not part of your life.
he used to be. He used to be. He used to be. But dude, I've seen this dude with like 3 different hoes, and
It inspires you to want to get more bitches or what?
nah, I don't know. I don't know how
I
subconscious.
wanna be like my dad.
I don't know how psychology
Hello.
works, but sure it had an effect. Well, we did it. We got it on.
The old ones. The old, rusty, fucking, dirty,
So for the headers, you want to do 20 foot-pound as well for those. And here's just an overview of how everything turned out. For the alternator, you want to make sure you put the belt on first. I didn't do that, so now I got to take it off and then re-put it back on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to get better at editing every time I edit. So I'm trying to learn something new, add something new, try different things just to keep it diverse and see what works and what doesn't. I'm also trying to find a more efficient schedule than what I have now because of work, especially, which is the main reason, the main problem. It's so unpredictable because I put my hours as anytime because I am free anytime, which was a bad idea because I need a more secure and repetitive schedule so that I know what to expect for the next week so I can plan my day accordingly, because not having that set schedule and having like all my hours fucking all over the place makes shit a lot harder for me to plan things out for this, which makes things longer to get out for YouTube and TikTok, which is not an excuse, but it's definitely something that can be improved so that I can start posting more consistently. And for those of you that make videos as well, I bet you understand exactly where I'm coming from. So I just thought I'd explain that real quick, because I have seen the numbers going down drastically. Well, not drastically, yeah, drastically. And I have seen my following going down. So, and it's not something that like I just like want to do or like I'm procrastinating hard. Like obviously everyone procrastinates, but it's not. It's definitely something that I see and definitely do not want to continue to happen, because I do want to continue with this. I do want to continue to grow as well. So I just thought I'd explain to you the steps that I am taking to get more consistent and more reliable with just posts and all that, as well as like I want to be able to follow up with what I'm saying basically. And I would much rather take longer to post than me give you guys something that's not to my full potential and something that's half-assed, because I treat my videos kind of like my art, and if I don't fuck with it, then I won't post it. So either way, you're not going to get some half-ass shit, but I don't want it to take longer to get out than what it needs to be. And that's just how I carry myself, and that's how I treat my videos. So anything that I can do to kind of limit myself from my flaws, which is it's not a flaw, but it's basically a flaw, because it's making me less likely to put it out because it doesn't meet my expectations. So anything that can improve that, I'm like trying to do, just so I can get things done a lot more like a lot more efficiently. So I just thought I'd update you guys on that. And if you made it this far, I appreciate you, because you guys, some of you guys are some fucking real ones, and I know exactly who it is. So you guys have stuck with me for a long fucking time, especially when I was lagging on it hard. And I appreciate the support, because man, I am literally dedicating a lot to this, like more than you fucking can even see, so that you would know. And I'm treating this shit like it's only a plan A. Like there is no plan B. There's no plan B for me right now. Like I'm putting everything into this, and I appreciate the ones who have been supporting me for fucking the longest. Like I mean that shit. So I'm gonna end it here because I could talk for fucking hours. But I'll see you guys in the next video.